Hi there, I hope you're all doing well. I am back with Thadeus from the Gears and Guns set for Zombicide Undead or Alive. He was black and white Zenithal primes and I get started with army green for his coat. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I used burnt red for his jeans as they have a bit of red undertone to them. The only part of exposed skin is his face, and this is done with Elven flesh. For his shirt and hair, I went for a base coat of warm grey. The boots and gloves are slightly darker tone than the jeans, so I used dark Fleshtone for these. Next up, all of the belts and the hat get done with light brown. As with all my Zombicide minis, the base gets a once over with Plague Brown. Getting started with the highlights, I used olive green to bring up all of those raised folds on his coat. To highlight his jeans, I grabbed probably too bright of a colour, but I used golden brown to bring up all of those raised parts and the flat areas facing upwards. For the boots and gloves, I used Scarlet red to add a small highlight. There aren't many metal parts on this mini, but what there are, I used gun metal from Army Painter to do. Trying out a new ink that I got. This is Penetrating Red ink from AK Interactive, and it is very bright. It's almost like a pure ink. I thought this thing would be more of a wash. Now that the ink has dried, I washed the entire Mini with Archaic Sepia wash. This worked well to tone down one of his legs, but for some reason, the right one just didn't quite work how it should do. Finishing the Mini off, I add in some sandy desert texture paste to the base. And that will be it for Thadeus. It's a very easy and simple Mini to get painted from this set. And it's just that red wash that went a bit funky, but it turned out okay in the end still. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, there'll be photos of this Mini on my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.